Thousands of people took part in a protest march in Belfast in support of the Irish language. On Lá Dearg is a national campaign to highlight the lack of rights and equality of Irish speakers, north and south.
Buses arrived on the Falls Road from all parts of Ireland for Lá Dearg na Gaeilge. The march made the 2-mile journey to the city centre with a simple message to the governments.
The peace process and this power sharing assembly in Stormont has not delivered for the Irish language speaking community in the north. We're waiting for 8 years for an Irish Language Act, and on top of that you have the fact that Irish language groups in the north and in the south are having their resources and their funding decimated. In this era we want not only the resources that we have embedded, we want more resources. So to think that we're going to sit back and accept the limited resources that we currently have being decimated is just a falsehood. It's not going to happen.
This march comes just 2 months after a similar protest in Dublin.
I think we've seen the proof that they did listen now that we are keeping our Irish Language Commissioner independent. At the same time, we're still looking for them to take seriously the rights of people to use Irish, to have those services available for Irish speakers, and be that north or south, that's very, very important.
And in case anyone wasn't aware of what was going on today, the city skyline painted the message. An Gallagher, RTÉ News, Belfast.